Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Planner in your workspace and creating a new plan. Name it clearly and set privacy. Once done, add starter buckets or sections to map major phases because structure drives execution. Next, add the very first tasks with short titles and one-line instructions so you can act immediately. Make sure to pick deadlines and priority tags now, since early metadata keeps the plan sortable and prevents drift before you build momentum. Once you have buckets, add the bulk of your tasks and populate fields. Due dates, assignees, and estimated duration so everyone knows responsibility and timing. Then layer in subtasks, labels, and attachments to capture context, documents, links, or checklists, because granular detail prevents questions later. After that, sync with Google Calendar and toggle notifications so deadlines surface where you work. Make sure to update status as work progresses, which keeps the plan accurate for daily decisions. You finish by regularly using board, list, and timeline views to monitor progress and spot blockers. Switch views to match the question you're answering. As tasks complete, mark them done and archive finished buckets so active work stays visible, and export a report when you need a summary. If something breaks, like sync or missing assignees, first check plan permissions and reconnect workspace integrations. Often relinking calendar or reauthorizing access resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.